How to cancel or pause Netflix subscription. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So what you may do is you can go ahead and access the Netflix application or the website, which is right here, and log in. And once you are logged in, you can look out for your profile in the top right and go ahead and click on it, and a menu appears. From the menu, select the option called account and open it up. After you open it up, you will be finding different options within your account, including your membership details. So you may look out for the option called Manage Membership and go ahead and click on it. And once you do, you will be taken to your membership details, the plan details. So what you need to do is from the given option, you may just go ahead and scroll down at the very last section. And when you go over there, you will be finding an option called Cancel Membership. You may also go ahead and find it up and click on it. And once you click on it, it will give you option before confirming your cancellation if you'd like to finish the cancellation totally or if you'd like to pause it. So if you'd like to pause it, you can select the option called pause. Similarly, if you'd like to finish it totally, you can cancel it by clicking on finish cancellation, and that is it. So these are the methods you can follow up if you'd like to cancel or pause your Netflix subscription. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.